Hey, how's it going? Let's get started. We're gonna do vocabulary exercises today. Remember, we have our notes. We already checked the expressions and the phrases that the waiter is using. Now, in today's class, we're actually gonna check the vocabulary, the verbs, the nouns, and the adjectives. We already have our notes ready to go. We have our little page here for our notes, our notepad. And the key vocabulary is already organized in verbs. Here's our verb list. And nouns. Here are all the nouns. And the others are adjectives and pronouns. Adjectives and adverbs. So, we're actually going to take the verbs and the nouns to do some exercises today. Exercise 1. What is the waiter doing in the pictures below? The pictures below, right here. Choose an action word. Choose a verb from the box to fill in the blanks. All right, so here's the box. We have pulling out, picking up, showing, sitting, folding, and welcoming. Picture number 1. Ready? Look at picture number 1. He is blank them to the table. What's going on? He is showing them. He is showing them to the table. Now let's practice. He is showing them to the table. Showing them to the table. Number 2. What's Fred doing in the picture? Look at the picture. He is blank the chair. He is blank the chair. He is blank the chair. He's pulling out the chair. He is pulling out the chair. Look at the direction. Pulling out the chair. Picture number 3. What's going on? He is blank the guest. He is seating 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 the guest. Seating the guest. Now, number 4. Number 4. What's going on in number 4? He is blank the plate. He is blank the plate. Look right here. He is picking up the plate. He is picking up the plate. Picking up. He is picking up the plate. Number 5. What's going on right here? With the napkin. He is blank the napkin. Blank the napkin. He is folding the napkin. He's folding the napkin. And number 6. He is, look at number 6 right here. He is blank the guest. He is welcoming the guest. Welcoming the guest. He's welcoming the guest. Now let's practice this part right here. He is, he is, he is, he is, he is, he is. You can do contraction. His. 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 He's showing them to the table. He's pulling out the chair. He's seating the guest. He's picking up the plate. He's folding the napkin. He's welcoming the guest. Excellent, excellent exercise. His. Now remember, you can do the exercise by yourself if you want to challenge yourself and if you want to improve your English level, or you can do the exercise together with me like we just did. If you want to do the exercise by yourself, come back and then watch how we do the exercise together and check your answers and make sure they're correct. So, let's go to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Solve the word puzzle with the help of the clues below. Choose the words from the right. Here are the words. And we have the clues. Excellent. This is a vocabulary exercise. We just finished the verbs. Now we have nouns. Nouns are places, objects, people, ideas, or concepts. We have the definition and we have the words right here. And we also have the puzzle. The puzzle has the number of letters. So make sure you have the correct number of letters. Ready? You sit on this. Number 1, you sit on this object, right? Remember, the nouns are object, like all things, people, places, animals, ideas, or concepts. Number 1 says, you sit on this. Huh. Which word is something that you sit on? You sit on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. If we're doing the exercise together, if you're doing the exercise with me, then I'm about to put the answer. So if you want to try the puzzle by yourself, pause the video and then come back and check your answers, all right? Here we go. Number 1, you sit on this. C-H-A-I-R, chair. You sit on the chair. Okay, let's do it. C-H-A-I-R, chair. We got it. Number 2, a shape with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a shape from geometry. Triangle. Number 2, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Yes, we have the correct number of letters. Triangle for number 2. Ready for number 3? A distance of about half a meter or 1 step. Four letters. Number 3, 4 letters. Half a meter or 1 step. We call that pace. The pace, like the rhythm. P-A-C-E, pace. Pace. Number 4, small items of information. Small items of information. Number 4, small items of information. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters. What could it be? Small items of information. Details. The details is the information. D-E-T-A-I-L-S. Details. We got the correct number of letters? Yes, we got it. Number 5. The inside surface of your hand. The inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. We call that the palm. The palm of your hand. Palm. P-A-L-M. The palm. The palm of your hand. Number 6. A group of people. A group of people. Number 6. A group of people. What is that? A group of people. In the restaurant, we call a group party. No packs. Party. Like, woo, party. So, number 6 is party. P-A-R-T-Y. Party. Not packs. Party. Number 7, a piece of cloth or a piece of paper that used while eating.